Hey, I'm Laura and welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you're a subscriber. Today I am going to be going through my total wardrobe and picking out my fall capsule. My fall capsule will go from October until probably January, and then at the end of January I will start to reevaluate and pick some new pieces up. At the beginning of 2017 I had completely cleaned out my closet, really narrowed down my wardrobe, and I have lived that way for all of 2017 until a couple of months ago. And when summer started, I felt the urge to pick up some new summer pieces and then back to school pieces and then fall pieces. And basically my wardrobe has gotten cluttered again. And also my style has changed a little bit over the past year. I am no longer into crop tops. I'm turning 28 in December, so I feel like over the course of the last year and being a senior in college has really made me evaluate what I'm wearing on a daily basis, and I'm gravitating towards more of a grown-up style. So jeans that don't have labels on the butt, shirts that don't have advertising across the front for a company, a lot less crop tops and more blouses that look a little nicer for if I need a professor to write me a letter of recommendation to get into grad school, that kind of thing. So over the course of the last year, my wardrobe style has changed a lot and I feel overwhelmed with the choices I have, even though I did just do a clear out at the beginning of 2017. So I thought it would be really cool to share this process with you guys this time and show you what I have right now, what I am getting rid of, and the fall wardrobe that I pick out for my capsule that I'm doing. And yeah, I am really excited. I will be breaking clothes up into 3 piles. I will have my fall/winter capsule pile that I'm picking out today that will stay in my wardrobe. I will have my sell/donate pile where I will take things to a secondhand or resale store, try to sell it. If it doesn't sell, then I'll donate those items. And then my third pile will be clothes that I absolutely love that I am just either sick of wearing right now, or it's getting a little cooler outside and it's gonna be a lot cooler here in the next 2 months. So clothes that I will be saving for the next season or the next capsule, and those will go in a Tupperware under my bed. So those are my 3 piles: save for next capsule to reevaluate, see if I want them then, sell donate pile, and keeping for my fall capsule pile. I am really excited to narrow down my wardrobe, get it back to that place that it was in January where everything is beautiful and fresh and there are very few choices. I felt really good when my wardrobe was like that. So let's get started. I will take you into the closet and show you what I'm working with. All right, guys, welcome to my closet. Here is what we are working with. This is my pile of pants and jeans, and then I have a long flowy skirt here, 2 pairs of shorts, 2 hats, and then all of my shirts hang up right here. And then I also hang up my hoodies on the back of there, as well as the 2 scarves that I have. So how I'm going to do this is I'm going to take out all of my shirts and my pants, basically everything that's right here that I know I need to go through and reevaluate, as well as some of the things in my dresser, like my leggings. I'm going to take it all out and I'm going to do the KonMari method, where I put it all into a pile and I go through each item one by one and figure out how it makes me feel and if I'll be keeping it. So this is our little before shot where you could see how full my side of the wardrobe is here. Okay, so here is what we are working with. These are all the things that came out of the closet that were hanging up. And the next step of KonMari method is to take everything off the hangers. So that is what I will be doing. And then here is my pile of bottoms that we will be working with, the pants that I showed you, shorts and skirt, and then also those 2 piles of leggings that I pulled out of my dresser. So I'm going to take everything off the hangers and get things sorted into piles by category. Oh my goodness, everything off the hangers, and I am surprised to say that I have more than 40 items hanging up in my closet. That's crazy to me. I'm really excited to narrow these piles down and get back to a very simple, smaller wardrobe. Now I am going to go through all of my items and break them up into the 3 piles of keeping for this capsule, saving for the next capsule, or sell donate. Okay, so I'm starting with pants. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pairs of pants. And let's see here, I've got a dark pair that I love, keeping these in my fall wardrobe. I've got a black pair that I love, keeping these for my fall wardrobe. I've got a light denim skinny jean that I'm keeping. I have got a pink skinny jean that I'm saving for my next capsule because I think pink is a lot more of a spring and summer color and I won't wear it during the fall. I've got a medium wash of flare jeans that I'm getting rid of because they're just not that comfortable. I have got an extreme bell-bottom 70s style flare light wash jean that I will be putting in this capsule wardrobe. And then I've got a light wash distressed boyfriend jean that I will be saving for my next capsule. So out of my pants, I am keeping 4 for my fall capsule. I am saving 2 for my next, and I'm getting rid of 1 in the sell donate pile. Leggings are a problem area for me. I have a lot of leggings. I love leggings. But again, my style has changed a lot over the last year, and I found some brands and some styles that used to work for me don't work anymore. Like I used to be obsessed with floral prints, not anymore. So let's go through these. These are an amazing pair of leggings in this beautiful, beautiful bright color that I got for Christmas. And I was excited. They were my first name brand pair of leggings from Aloe Yoga. Turns out they're see-through. So getting rid of these, unfortunately, it makes me want to cry because they're the most beautiful color and I wanted them so long and I got them for Christmas and I was so excited to have them. But I'm letting go of all the negative feelings I have about these and how they didn't live up to my expectations and the waste of money. And I'm letting it go, letting go. So out of all my leggings, I have 1 pair I'm saving for my next capsule. I am keeping 1, 2, 3, 4 pairs, plus I bought a pair of plain black ones that are really thick, nice cotton material that I will be adding. So keeping 5 leggings, saving 1 for next capsule, and here's my getting rid of pile. Let's see here, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pairs of leggings in the donate sell pile. This is my final result. This is my keep pile. This is my save for next capsule pile, and this is my donate sell pile. So I will go ahead and get my keep clothes put away for my fall wardrobe, and I will show you the final result of what that looks like in my closet. All right, guys, here is my wardrobe afterwards. I actually pulled my leggings out of my dresser, and I'm going to keep them on my shelf next to my pants in my closet. This is the first time I've ever done it, but I'm hoping that I will get a lot more use out of my leggings and I will wear them a lot more if they're right next to my pants when I get dressed in the morning. So I kept 5 pairs of leggings, I kept 4 pairs of pants, both of my hats, and these are the tops. 4 tank tops, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 short sleeve shirts, 3/4 length shirts here, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sweaters. And then I've also got my tulle skirt and 3 dresses that I have. And that's what's going on there. So as you can see, I cleared that out a lot and it looks so much better. I also have a hoodie and my scarves that I was talking about at the beginning of the video right there, but I already knew I was keeping both of my scarves and both of my hoodies because I wear them all the time. And this is my favorite part. I have this huge IKEA bag full of donation and resell items. So when they're all stacked up here, you can tell it's quite the respectable amount of things that I am getting rid of from my closet. And this bag is really big. I wish I could show you. Oh, I can. There's a mirror right here. Look at how big this bag is. It's ginormous. So yeah, the small items that I'm keeping for next capsule, the giant bag of things that I am getting rid of. And I hope you have enjoyed this. And I will close out the video right here in the mirror. Like this video and subscribe if you would like to see more content like this. I hope you enjoyed this video of me putting together my fall capsule wardrobe. I will catch you next time. Bye, guys.